So, when they tell you you can never have too many clamps, this is what they're talking about. This is a project where I need to face glue two pieces of 3/4 inch plywood together. And the best way I could figure was to take 2x4s and use bolts to make them clamp down on the plywood. So, I am going to make a couple extra. We're just going to cut them roughly in half. Now we're going to bring those pieces over here, and in pairs we're going to drill our holes for the bolts. So one side we're using a 3/8 bit. I'm just going to go ahead and use the Craig pocket hole bit. And we're going to go ahead and punch a 3/8 inch hole through both pieces. That's going to be a snug fit there. And we want that for a specific reason. The other side, we're going to take a 1/2 inch bit. And we're just going to hog our way through there. As we need to take, and I'm adding an extra washer to this because these 2x4s have been planed down, so they're a little over an inch instead of being 1.5 inches. So we're going to feed that through there. We're going to go ahead and tighten that all the way up. And we're going to go ahead and leave the other bolt out. I'll show you how we're doing this. A 3/8 inch hole and 3/8 inch bolt makes kind of a snug fit. Don't drop your nuts. So an important part of this process is making sure the surface is free of any extra chips and dust. Now, am I really that worried about it? No, because I'm going to crank the snot out of it. This surface down here needs to get a very generous helping of glue. That's about 3/4 of the bottle of glue. Between this and the two others that I've gotten glued up. It's not critical that they be lined up on the length, like the ends of them, but the sides need to be lined up. So, I'll show you how I'm going to do that. We'll start on this end down here. And I'm going to use these ones that I made the other night that I actually screwed up. You don't like concentration. They can't kind of screw it this way. They just can't work this very well. Get on there. We'll start calling that thing his mom names. My goodness. We're using our bolts to make sure that the sides are good and straight. Because nobody likes things that aren't straight. Probably shouldn't say that, but it is funny to say. So, way. We're going to go ahead and start washing up these ones. We're going to go ahead and take, I forgot to mention, these are standard, they're not metric. Important to remember to use your standard and not metric when it comes to these. Otherwise, your adjustments on the rim aren't going to be correct. So, or maybe I get some of those Russians that have been on our lives. That might be a sensitive subject for them because we need them to know. So.